I think pharma need to work above brand and have faith that other opportunities will come up. I think if we partner with those specialising in big data or patient experience support, even things like traffic control, hospital systems, whatever, but don't try to do it ourselves, but it is by partnering and working to solve healthcare problems and not be so obsessive about the brand. I think the opportunities will just simply come.
We hear a lot about Amazon, Google, that's coming. We don't know how it's going to affect us, but what we can control today is we know who our customers are. How can we best understand our customers? How can we have that 360 view and data on our customers to best serve them? It's all around the foundation. Everyone keeps talking about digital, but we can't do anything digital if we don't have the foundation set.
I don't think it's about healthcare professionals. I think patients will be increasingly empowered in the coming years. They will act like consumers. And they will make much bigger decisions about their own health and well-being and treatments for that matter. Therefore, I think pharma needs to really understand that that's maybe an untapped potential, but really a core or cornerstone of a successful pharma company moving forward.
Definitely analytics. I think we're still scratching the surface from an analytics perspective. So we're looking at it from a channel perspective. We scratch the surface for everything that's got to do with behavioral analytics, how we actually analyze and understand content. We're starting to say, oh yes, we need to get into the video game because, video in certain sense, producing videos, because that's something that's snackable, that people like, that people understand, and it generates interest. But then same thing, so even if we generate great content and we suddenly kind of get to the point where we give content that adds value, how do we analyze what's going on and what really makes sense and what works and what doesn't?
And how can we learn from what kinds of content that our customers are engaging with? Say, okay, this guy likes perhaps patient education more than scientific materials. Can we provide more of that to this kind of customer? And then use the data we collect and continuously experiment with what kinds of content that they're interested in. So the whole data and personalization part of it is at least something we are looking into over the next couple of years.
I actually think that when we digitize throughout the entire value chain, actually all the way from discovery through to trials, access, and we actually have a complete digital pipeline, that's when we're going to be able to have a more interesting digital experience for our customers as well. Not only that, but we will set ourselves up as the ideal partner for far more innovations than just those that we're able to come up with within our own companies. So the amount of possibility, the amount of variety, the amount of potential that we'll actually be able to talk to our customers about will actually increase by a huge margin.